We need now to rest a little bit, okay, but you see, nice grilling marks.
Yep.
Okay, so that the way why we do like this is just because you say, okay, if you have a small kitchen or small bar and you want to make a little menu,
yeah,
you don't have to buy the grilling whatever, because otherwise you don't have space. By using the proper grill, you can do it in the oven.
Yeah, yeah. You don't need a whole heap of equipment. You can just have the combi oven and it does most of the cooking for you.
Very flexible.
Yeah.
Actually, you can do what you want. Okay? When you start to understand how it works, okay, you can actually manage everything.
Pretty much everything. Yes. Yeah. So we're just regenerating.
Yes, yes. Kept 60 degrees. Okay, for like 5 minutes time. This one to rest a little bit.
Yep. Beautiful.
And then